All right, I'll provide you this code, AdminWrapper test, so you can put in your wrappers. You can also stop and copy if you wish, but it's basically we're just doing the test just to make sure everything is working fine. So I'm here importing our Kafka admin class from our AdminWrapper code. Okay, we're initializing the admin client to our broker on the external listener 1994. You've seen this before as well. And we're doing a first test, which will be we're going to create topics and passing some configurations. So I have a list of topics here: test topic 1, test topic 2, test topic 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and pass that list to our create topics method from our class. And you can see here now that I'm passing a lot of those attributes that we can pass to our method. So I'm doing the number of partition equals to 3. That means that since we're using a single broker cluster, will be this created in just one broker, and that's fine for now. Replication factor needs to be 1. A retention period of 7 days, a compression time to the producer, the cleanup policy to be deleted. So basically, you can try it out different parameters, but I just wanted to see if we're able to create those 3 topics with our create topics method. Then, right after the creation, we're going to test our list topics function. It will show the first 5, but we do have only 3, so that's fine. So let's just go ahead and run this. Bootstrap service. All right, I know what's wrong. We'll need to come back here. This is actually a bootstrap dot service, so make sure you fix it in your code. Let's come back. There you go. Now it's working well. So created 3 topics successfully, topic 1, 2, and 3, and this is going to list the topics information. So it's retrieving all of the topics from the cluster, the schema as well, the consumer offsets as well, and the available topics right here. So come back to your UI. Let's refresh it. So now you can see we have test topic 1, test topic 2, test topic 3, 3 partitions, replication factor equals to 1, in-sync replicas 3 of 3. So everything that I have set is now working properly. Okay, let's come back here and let's try to add partitions to it. All right, I'm gonna uncomment this and I'm gonna comment this out because we don't want to get the error to create this again. Okay, so we're gonna see add the partitions to the topic, and we're gonna change the tested topic 1 to increase it to 5 partitions. So let's see what happens. Okay, we initialize it. Partitions added successfully to test topic 1. And we return our dictionary associating the name with the boolean, which is true. So if we come back here now, right there, tested topic 1. Now it does have 5 partitions, okay, from 0 to 4 instead of only 3. And the in-sync replicas value also changed to 5. All right. Finally, let's describe the topic configuration for the topic 1 that we just changed things. So we're saying, let's import this. Just because to make sure like we can print it out, cleaner information. So we're describing a resource of name of type topic, and this is the name, test topic 1. So let's describe it. Yeah, probably another typo up there. Describe topics config instead of describe topic config. Let's come back here. Describe topics config. Configs. Kafka describe topic. Oh, okay, topics. All right, small typo here. Let's clean it up. Cool. So, all right, you can see we're describing all of the configuration. So the configuration of type topic on the test topic one, you have everything. Compression type producer, all of it that was default, it was here. So you can see everything that you can set, plus what you have already set. So you can find all of the configuration. All right. Finally, let's clean up. Delete all of those topics. And for this, I'll need to uncomment the test topics because we're passing that list. So we're basically saying, let's delete all of those three from the list. And we do have deleted successfully, deletion results, test topic 1 true, test topic 2 true, test topic 3 true. So if we come back here, we don't have them anymore. Topic 1, 2, and 3 gone. That means that we're working. Play around with this task script. If you happen to have added more methods to your wrapper class, then go ahead and test them as well. So see you next.